welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a mini note and a mini pen for a toy. Let's see what other things needed. We need a colored paper and a white paper, a sketch and a black brush pen, toothpick, scissors and a stapler. Come on, let's get started. Fluffy means this toy only. This is my cute Fluffy. Say hi, Fluffy. Hi. Let's do the pen. Friends, take a little bit of clay and stick it in the back. Look. Okay, like this. We just made a mistake. We can just erase it. Look, we got a pencil and a note. Hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.